This is the DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo. And DeLonghi says it can bring cafe-quality espresso into your kitchen without the learning curve that scares most people away from home espresso machines. Sounds great, right? But after spending time with it, making everything from quick morning espressos to weekend cappuccinos, I discovered something interesting. This machine manages to hit a sweet spot that a lot of competitors completely miss. DeLonghi La Specialista product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo is a semi-automatic espresso machine designed for home baristas who want more control than a pod machine, but don't want to dive headfirst into the complexity of professional espresso equipment. Positioned in the mid-range premium espresso category, it combines a built-in conical burr grinder, manual steam wand, and DeLonghi's proprietary cold extraction technology into a compact package. The biggest selling point here is accessibility. This machine is designed for people who want to learn espresso making skills without feeling overwhelmed. DeLonghi La Specialista. Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Honestly, this is where the Arte Evo really shines. The built-in grinder delivers surprisingly consistent results for a machine in this price range. With multiple grind settings available, dialing in espresso isn't difficult, even for beginners. I found that once I settled on the right grind size for my beans, the machine produced rich, balanced espresso shots with a nice layer of crema. One thing I really appreciated is how forgiving it feels. Many entry-level espresso machines punish every little mistake. The Arte Evo seems designed to help you succeed rather than remind you that you're not a professional barista. Temperature stability is solid during everyday use, and shot consistency remained reliable across multiple brewing sessions. Now let's talk about milk drinks. The manual steam wand takes a little practice, but once you get comfortable with it, you can create silky microfoam suitable for lattes and cappuccinos. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features. First up is the integrated burr grinder. This might sound basic, but having freshly ground coffee is one of the biggest upgrades you can make to your coffee quality. The built-in grinder means you don't need to buy a separate appliance, saving both money and counter space. Next is the Barista toolkit. DeLonghi includes dosing and tamping accessories that help reduce mess and improve consistency. For beginners, this makes the learning process significantly less intimidating. Then there's active temperature control. Different coffee beans perform best at different brewing temperatures. This system helps maintain optimal heat throughout extraction, leading to more balanced flavors and fewer bitter shots. And finally, the headline feature, cold extraction technology. Design and build. Aesthetically, DeLonghi did a great job here. The La Specialista Arte Evo has a modern, premium appearance without looking overly industrial. It feels approachable, which matches the target audience perfectly. The metal accents add a touch of sophistication, while the control layout remains simple and intuitive. Even if you've never used an espresso machine before, you'll likely understand the controls within a few minutes. The footprint is relatively compact compared to many competing espresso machines with built-in grinders, making it easier to fit into smaller kitchens. Pros. Cold brew function is genuinely useful and surprisingly effective. User-friendly design makes learning espresso far less intimidating. Compact footprint compared to many competing all-in-one machines. Cons. Grinder adjustments may feel limited for advanced espresso enthusiasts. Premium price compared to entry-level espresso machines. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth the money? If you're someone who's ready to move beyond pod-based coffee systems and wants to start making real espresso at home, the DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo is one of the most approachable options available. It strikes a balance between convenience and hands-on control that's surprisingly difficult to find. Beginners will appreciate how forgiving it is, while intermediate coffee enthusiasts will enjoy the ability to experiment and refine their technique. Now, if you're already deep into the espresso hobby and obsess over every extraction variable, you may eventually outgrow some of its limitations. In that case, a more advanced machine could make sense.